Okay guys, since we already installed termux, now we have to open it and start using it. Okay, let me see where it is. Termux. Okay, so you open termux app. First thing, you have to download a few stuff or set up the storage what you need to download. So to download most stuff, like say to download Python, it's basically like a Linux system. So you just do pkg and then you do install Python, and then after you do that you click enter. So you need to install Python. Basically use Python for a lot of different stuff, so this is very important to install Python on the phone. If you see this, all you have to do click Y and then click enter to continue. Okay guys, once you have Python installed, you got to install a program called ffmpeg. So this is the program that's used to download videos, audios, and also used to combine separate videos and separate audios together. It's also used to help you to download your subtitles and stuff too. So YouTube normally have videos and audio separate. So once you for high quality videos and audio, they are separate. They are not just combined together as one. So in order to have those high quality like 1080p and above, you have to download the video separate and you have to download the audio separate. And then after you download them separate, you have to combine them. So you need ffmpeg to help you to combine them together as one so you can watch them. So you do pkg install ffmpeg and then click enter, then click Y. Okay, then I know we install Python, but that's the old Python that's used on a lot of programs. But now there's a newer type of Python, which is Python 3. So we also have to install that too if we want to use most of the new frequent programs and stuff which require Python 3. So to install Python 3, we just do py Python 3 and then /m, and then we'll do pip install. Oh, hold on 1 minute. I have to install Python 3 first. Okay, install. Yeah, so this is the program we need to download in order to download YouTube videos. It's called yt-dlp. But yt-dlp, the developers doesn't maintain that anymore, so it's not active now. That's a new program that's basically take the code for yt-dlp and make it improve on it and make it better. This one is developed frequently, so this is the one you need to download instead of the normal and regular yt-dlp. It's called yt-dlp. So to install this, you just type this command, python 3/m pip install, then yt. Let me see. Hold on 1 minute. Yt slash dlp. Let's see. Okay, this might take a little bit of time to install everything. Okay, so get a warning say, oh, you are using pip version 21.2.2. However, version 21.3.1 is available. You should consider upgrading via the data termux file user bin. So it tells you what to do in order to upgrade. So you do Python 3/m pip install / upgrade pip. So I'll do that to upgrade pip. First Python 3 /m pip install and then / upgrade pip and then hit enter to upgrade pip Python 3. Okay, so Python 3 was successfully uninstalled. Now it's about to install the new one. Now successfully install Python 3 version pip 21.3.1. Okay, now we're done with all those. We're done installing what we need to install. So first, mostly before you use most of these programs, you have to always use this. Anytime you open this app, you always have to update, and you have to do upgrade. So to do those, you have to do pkg upgrade. So anytime you open the app, you should always do this upgrade. Then you hit enter and press Y. Okay, so it's asking me if I should either keep the version I have or to upgrade. And in order to install the package I have, I will have to press Y or I. Or to keep the one I currently have, I'll press N or O. Or to install a new version, I press Y or I. Doesn't so anyone you choose, whether you want to keep the version you're on, you click Y or I. If you want, let me say N or O. If you want to install a new one, you press Y or I. For now, just click N to keep the one I already have, and then later maybe I'll re-update it. Then click enter. Okay, so this is done. So you have to do another stuff. Anytime you open termux, you always do this to pkg. We just did upgrade. Now you have to do another call, update instead of upgrade. So you always do these two commands: pkg upgrade and update. And then once you do most time people use pkg or apt, so it depends. Okay, now it's done. So the final thing we have to do is to allow termux to have access to your phone storage. So once termux have access to your phone storage, then you can download anything you want onto the phone using termux. So in order to do this, we just type this command: termux slash setup slash storage, and hit enter. And then asks you allow termux to access photo, media, and file on the device. Just click allow. And then that's it. Basically, that's it. You probably don't have to do much. I'll turn off audio recording and then try to do what we need to do, do a new video.